Have you ever wondered if there's a secret to keeping your liver in top shape? What if I told you the key to a healthy liver is right in your garden? Today we will discuss the best foods to cleanse your liver. But first, let's understand what makes the second largest organ in the human body so crucial. Our skin is the largest organ in the human body, followed by the liver. When you talk about cleansing your liver, some may think that the liver is dirty. No, it is not dirty per se, contrary to popular belief. The liver is a detox powerhouse, constantly working to keep your body clean. However, it can get bogged down, especially if you're dealing with a fatty liver. This is where the right foods come into play. Before we jump into the foods that are good for liver cleansing, let's first talk about the liver's incredible functions. It detoxifies toxins, produces bile for fat digestion, and makes crucial hormones like IGF-1 and cortisol. It's like the body's chemical factory and detox center rolled into one. Now, how do we keep this powerhouse running smoothly? Let's dive into the best foods for a healthy liver. Cruciferous vegetables. First up, cruciferous vegetables include vegetables like kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are packed with sulforaphane, a compound that helps detoxify the liver and reduce inflammation. Just imagine, eating these can boost your liver's function for weeks after. Sulforaphane is a sulfur-rich compound found in these fantastic vegetables. It is an anti-carcinogenic isothiocyanate that helps to protect the body against cancer. Sulforaphane is produced in the body when mixed with glucoraphanin, a chemical in these cruciferous vegetables, when mixed with myrasinase, an enzyme in the human body. Even more important, you can supercharge the benefits by adding sprouts. A little goes a long way in activating those liver-loving compounds. And why sprouts? Because sprouts are low in calories, but very high in nutrients. Sprouts are rich in minerals, antioxidants, vitamins, and enzymes, and have many health benefits, such as regulating your digestive health and preventing constipation. Next on our list is garlic. It's not just for warding off vampires. Garlic is loaded with sulfur, which helps detoxify the liver and has natural antibiotic properties. It's also great for reducing fat in your liver. Not only that, garlic can help detoxify not only your liver but other organs in your body. Garlic can help improve hepatic function in a variety of liver diseases. Other benefits of garlic to your liver are that it can help reduce fibrosis, lipid metabolism dysregulation, liver inflammation, and oxidative stress. For example, what does reducing liver oxidative stress mean? It simply means that it helps maintain the balance between oxidant and antioxidant agents in the liver to help support and balance the liver functions. Oxidative stress happens when the liver has an imbalance of oxidant and antioxidant agents, usually caused by exposure to environmental pollutants. Turmeric. Let's not forget about turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a powerhouse for reducing inflammation and detoxifying heavy metals from the body. It's a simple addition that can make a big difference. Did you know that reducing your use of pain medications and anti-inflammatory medications can help reduce the stress on your liver? Yes, it does. And this is where turmeric comes in. Adding turmeric to your smoothies or cooking your foods with turmeric can lessen your use of those medications, which can be hard on your liver. Turmeric has an active compound called curcumin, which has an active property called hepatoprotective properties. It is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that helps fight free radicals caused by oxidative stress, lipid peroxidation, inflammation, or liver fibrosis. Let's be clear, Turmeric is not a substitute for liver disease medications, but people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease can benefit from eating turmeric. Overall, turmeric has many health benefits besides helping improve liver function. The curcumin in turmeric is an antioxidant compound that helps strengthen your immune system. Turmeric is also beneficial in treating several skin diseases due to its antioxidant contents, which can neutralize free radicals that can contribute to aging and diseases. Other significant health benefits of turmeric are that it can help reduce arthritis, cancer, acne, depression, type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, viral infections, headaches, and even Alzheimer's disease. Beets. Beets are another fantastic option. Beets are known for their liver protective properties. Beets can help lower liver enzymes and activate bile salts, aiding in fat reduction within the liver. Beets contain high amounts of vitamin A, which can help prevent liver disease and liver cirrhosis, which is the scarring of the liver. The best and most healthy way to eat beets is raw, juicing, or roasting. Eating beets that way helps bring out their earthly flavor and aroma. Because beets are rich in nutritional profile, they can be classified as superfoods. Mushrooms. Mushrooms, especially varieties like turkey tail and oyster mushrooms, are rich in glutathione, a critical antioxidant for liver health. These fungi protect liver cells and enhance detoxification. Mushrooms also contain antioxidants, polysaccharides, triterpenoids, plus phenolic compounds that help maintain liver functions. What is terrific about antioxidants is that they can neutralize all types of harmful radicals in your body, making antioxidants in mushrooms perfect for supporting healthy liver functions. Mushroom varieties such as turkey tail, shiitake, and reishi are very beneficial in helping prevent liver diseases. Avocados. Avocados are a liver's best friend. High in anti-inflammatory compounds and glutathione, just one avocado a week can significantly improve liver function. In addition to glutathione, avocados contain monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAs, considered healthy fats that can help slow down or reduce liver damage. Also, the phenols containment of avocados can help lower the risk of metabolic syndrome and cardiovascular disease. According to 2015 studies, researchers believed that avocados could help lower blood lipids or fats to help prevent damage in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Extra virgin olive oil. And finally, a little extra virgin olive oil can go a long way. A teaspoon in your salad dressing can reduce liver fat, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower inflammation. A 2010 study shows that rats fed diets that contain extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, were partially protected from liver damage caused by a moderately toxic herbicide. As we have already discussed, the liver is susceptible to different types of injuries that could cause liver damage, such as steatohepatitis, hepatocellular carcinoma, steatosis, cirrhosis, ischemia, reperfusion injury, and more. Extra virgin olive oil has many protective effects that can help prevent or reduce these liver ailments. Before we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned today. Your liver is an extraordinary organ with over 500 functions, from detoxifying harmful substances to producing vital hormones. It's not about cleaning a dirty liver, but supporting it with the right foods to keep it functioning at its best. Think about incorporating cruciferous vegetables into your salads, adding garlic to your dishes, spicing up your meals with turmeric, enjoying the vibrant benefits of beets, experimenting with different types of mushrooms, savoring a creamy avocado, and drizzling extra virgin olive oil on your meals. Each of these foods brings unique benefits to your liver helping to detoxify and regenerate. As you start integrating these foods into your daily routine, you might notice a boost in your overall health and well-being. More energy, clearer skin, and better digestion are just some of the perks of supporting your liver. Remember, a slight change can make a big difference. So there you have it. The best foods to keep your liver healthy and functioning. Incorporate these into your diet and support your liver to keep you thriving. That said, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care of your liver, and it will take care of you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. We're here to support each other, and your feedback motivates us to create content that helps you reach your goals. Thank you, and see you in the following video.